In this video, I will show you how to allow only numbers in a cell using a validation rule in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have two columns, one for the items and another for their quantities. Now I want to allow only numbers to be entered in the quantity cells. I will use the Excel data validation rules to allow only numbers in these cells. To do that, select all the quantity cells, go to the data tab and click the data validation icon to open up the data validation dialog box. Since we are going to create a custom rule, select the custom option from the allow drop down menu. Now we need to enter the formula that returns either true or false value depending upon the cell value. Since we are creating a rule that will allow only numbers to be entered in the quantity cells, I will use the Excel isNumber function. The isNumber function returns true if the cell contains a number and false otherwise. This function accepts only one argument, which is the value to be checked. Let's start by typing an equal sign in the formula text box to start the formula. Now type isNumber followed by an opening bracket. I am going to provide the first cell, that is the cell C3, as an argument of the isNumber function followed by the closing bracket. Excel will automatically apply this validation formula to all the selected cells in the range. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now when I enter any integer number like 10 or any decimal number like 5.75 in any of the cells, it works fine. But if I enter any text value like ABC, Excel displays an error message. This value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. I can press the retry button to enter the value again or the cancel button to clear the entered value. We can also change the error dialog box title and message to make it clearer to users. To do that, select all these cells again and click on the data menu and then the data validation icon. Now click on the error message option at the top of the dialog box. Make sure that the show error alert after invalid data is entered checkbox is selected. I will type the numeric values only text as the title and please enter a valid number text as the error message. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now when we try to enter any text value in any of these cells, we will get the error dialog box with our custom message. To remove the data validation from these cells, select all the cells and then click on the data validation icon again. Now click the clear all button to reset all the validation values we entered previously. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. Now these cells do not have any validation restriction and we can enter any value we want. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.